My name is Dane Atkinson. I'm the CEO of SumAll, and we are happily in Soho, New York City. So we want to bring something into the marketplace that actually allowed the creators of their own data to get it back. So they could see their own information, make better choices in their lives off their own data, and not just have it disappear into the cloud. We've been around as a product for a little over 2 years, and as a business for 3 years. We started out with getting, a couple customers a day, and now we're doing 1,000 businesses a day joining up and sticking to us. We have over 200,000 businesses actively using us, and we will have over 1 million, of course, the next year. We actually started just with e-commerce merchants. We started with like Shopify and Magento and those kind of partners. And then we quickly realized that this had much bigger ubiquity, so we continued to add broader and broader data streams. Amazon is good for some things, but not when you're at the sort of cutting edge of technology that we are. We found huge delays in our services, and actually I think it was about a year ago that we hit almost a breaking point in the business. We need specialists. We don't need generic, we don't need commodity, that's everywhere, right? We need somebody who can solve our hard problems, and our problems are extremely difficult. We need people who can figure out how to deliver terabytes of information in milliseconds, right? We need someone who can take 100,000 customers to 10 million customers in the span of 8 months. We need people who are smart and able to figure out the next step, not the stuff that's existed for 20 years. Switching to ObjectRocket and Rackspace was night and day in every angle. And from a technology standpoint, the move was fairly seamless, and it takes that sort of hour onboarding time for our customers back down to seconds, which is where they want to be and where we need to be as a business. Scalability with ObjectRocket means we can actually hit our milestones, right? We are growing over 1,000% a year, and at that pace, we need partners that can grow as quickly. And ObjectRocket, not only from the individual scale by which we can onboard customers and whatnot, they've grown with us as fast as we can, and they've managed that process seamlessly. It makes us feel comfortable that we can get to the millions of users we should have in the next few years. We needed high-performant environments that could actually deliver the kind of query speed we want. And Mongo is a great platform, but it's not known for delivering at the sort of the edge that we need to be. And ObjectRocket delivered that for us, and they have maintained it all the way through. It's allowed us to give that millisecond speed to our customers, which is, in this climate, what everyone wants. Safety is important as well. We contain the data for almost 250,000 businesses, and every piece of information they have that persists in the cloud, we replicate to ourselves. So making sure that we are in an environment that is secure and has a large brand behind it is important. ObjectRocket and Rackspace have been top-notch in support, not just in the vocalization that they have it, but they actually have delivered. I can't count how many nights it's been 3 o'clock in the morning and we've asked for a new deploy or a new code, or some new partner has twitched things, and they've actually not just fixed and turned machines on and off, but they've actually gone into the code base and made alterations for us in real time, which doesn't exist pretty much anywhere else. It's really very, very special. ObjectRocket in particular and Rackspace have areas where they can provide a lot more value. So not only will you get the same performance multiplied, but you'll get advice and counseling and a whole portion of your business just taken care of, which as a startup is extremely meaningful, and you're not hiring another 4 DevOps people just to manage your infrastructure, that it actually just works and is cost efficient. Couldn't say more. It's the right move to go. ObjectRocket's research into the future of these kind of technologies and scouting the market to find the best pieces to build the future together is exhilarating. It makes us feel like we're not standing alone. It makes us feel more possible, right? It makes this dream seem real. Thankfully, Rackspace are the specialists we need. We need that cutting edge, and you're it.